Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have seen fractions to decimals and also how to change the millimeter to centimeter, then kilometer to meter. Okay. Today we are going to see the conversion. Okay. How to convert decimals to fraction, fractions to decimal, that like we are going to see. Okay. Fractions to decimals. First we shall recall. 1 by 10. How to write this? 1 by 10. 0.1. How? Here 1 0. If we have point here means it will come to 1 times this side. That is 0.1. So here 0. If you have a point here means 1 times, 2 times, because we have 2 zeros in the denominator. So 0, 2. The same as here 0.005. Then convert decimals to fraction. 0.9. So how to change this to fraction? Assume that 0.9 divided by 1. Okay. If you want to make this 0.9 to 9, you have to multiply by 10. 1 0, isn't it? So 0.9 into 10 will come as 9, isn't it? 0.9 into 10 means 9.0 will come. So if you multiply the numerator by 10, you must multiply the denominator also by 10. Okay. So the answer here is 9 by 10. This is a fraction of 0.9. The same as second one, 9.56 divided by 1. If you multiply by 100, this will become a whole number. So, in the denominator also you have to multiply by 100. So, 956 divided by 100. Okay, and third sum. Here also 2 digit after we have point. Okay, 399.95 divided by 1 into 100 into 100 is equal to 39995 divided by 100. Okay. Then we shall change the fractions to decimal. If you have 2 by 5, how to make this as decimal? First see the denominator. If you have 5 here means we can make this as 10 by multiplying 2, isn't it? Then you have to multiply by the numerator also by 2. So 4 by 10. And you can write this as 0.4, isn't it? The next sum, 1 by 5. This is in mixed fraction. You have to change this to improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. You can make the 5 to 10. And you can have to multiply by 2 for that. 2. Then 32 by 10. Then the answer is 3.2. Okay. We have changed the mixed fraction to decimal. Next, decimal to the fraction. Here, same we have seen in the second Roman. Okay. By 1 into 100 into 100. And it will come as 4 by 100. Okay. Next one, 3.46 divided by 1. Isn't it? You have to multiply by 100, 100. Then it will come as 346 by 100. then 0.862 divided by 1 into 1000, so you have to multiply by 3 zeros. It will come as 862 divided by 1000. Conversion of fraction to decimal, decimals to fraction. Exercise 1.2. Write the following in the place value. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they are given. And then also they are given the decimal numbers. You have to write the place values. Okay. First 25.178. Here 5 is ones place and 2 is tens place. So 5 is ones place and 2 is tens place. Then 1 is tenth place. Okay. 1 is tenth place. Then 7 is hundredth place and 8 is thousandth place. Okay. Next. Here no digits. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, here no digits. So this side 10th place is 0. Then 100th place is 2. Then 1000th place is 5. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 hundreds place, tens place 2 and 8 in ones place. So 0 in 10th place and again 0 in 100th place and 1 in 1000th place. Okay. Then again ones, tens, hundreds. So 100th place 7, 3, then 1 in 10th place, 7 in 100th place and 8 in 1000th place. Okay. So then ones, tens. So ones place 9, tens place 1. Then 5 in 10th place, then 4 in 100th place. Okay, write as decimal numbers. 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, then again dot, decimal point you have to keep. Why? Before 10th place you have to keep decimal point. So 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Okay, here ones place is 3. Then before 10th place you have to keep point. Okay, 8, 4, 5. Okay, then 6 in ones place. Then 0, 0, 9. Okay, here 956. So 900 plus 50 plus 6 is 956.3 by 100. So 0 in 10th place and 0 in 100th place. Sorry, 3 in 100th place. So 3 by 100 they are written. Okay. The next one. No ones, tens, hundreds place. So 0.631. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. This is answer. Convert into decimal numbers. Convert 3 by 10 to decimal number. How to convert 3 by 10 to decimal number? 0.3. So here 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 is the improper fraction. You have to make this as decimal number, isn't it? So you have to multiply this by 5. If you multiply this 2 by 5 means in the denominator we get 10. So 35 by 10. So the answer is 3.5. Okay. The next one. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 by 5. So you make this as 10, 100 like that. If you can make means you make. Otherwise you have to divide the long division method. Okay. Here you can multiply this 5 by 2. And it will come as 10, isn't it? So you have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So 18 2s are 36 by 10. So the answer is 3.6. So next one, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. Then 15 by 10. The answer is 1.5. The next, 4 by 5. 4 by 5. You have to multiply this by 2, then 4 by 2. Is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 by 10. Then you can write this as 0.8. Okay. Then 99 by 100. Simply you can write this as 0.99. Because here you have point, you bring this 1 times and 2 times. Because we have 2 zeros in the denominator. So here, this is in mixed fraction. You have to multiply and add this. Okay. 3 into 25 is 75. 75 plus 19 by 25. Okay, then 4, remainder 1, 8, 9. 94 by 25. Then you can make the 25 to 100, isn't it? How many times? 25 4s are, then again 4. When it will come as, the denominator is 100, the numerator is, and 4 4s are 16 6, remainder 1, 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 37. Now the decimal form of this is 3.76. Thank you. Have a nice day.